Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to change background color of logo on Wix.com. Now guys, if you created the logo and now you want to change the background color, then how will you do? So I've selected this logo and I don't want this black color on my background, and I want here something blue. So I am going to change my background color from this list. Just look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see background. You have to click on it and then you will see the color. Here there is no any option for the color, but you don't need to confuse about that. You just simply click on this button. The pop-up will appear on the screen and here you will see some of suggestions. And if you don't want to apply color from these suggestions, so you can change by move this circle, and here you can change your color. Okay, I want something blue, so I will go to the blue color. If I go with navy blue, so it will look like this. And now once you're done with the color, then you have to click on check. As you can see guys, my color has been changed from background and this is the final look of my logo. So guys, this is how to change background color of logo on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.